What's up, guys? It's Orange Wolf 7091 AJ, and welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. Today we're playing Prison Life, but on the Tokyo's Revenge official account. So basically, it's Tokyo's Revenge official playing Prison Life. Tokyo's Revenge is playing Prison Life today. Yeah, let's get into the game by being prisoners. Okay, so we are being prisoners. Great. I think we have a hacker in this game. That's wonderful. We just needed a hacker in this game. So this is what my guy looks like. Tokyo's Revenge. We need them to open the door, please. Thank you. Oh, I had to got him. I got him with the aftershot. Oh, you guys are lucky. You know what? I can do the glitch. If this guy doesn't kill me. No, don't kill me, don't kill me. Okay. I can do the glitch. Glitch. Wait. The glitch didn't work. What the heck? What was that? Please, let me in. Thank you. Ugh. Wow. Don't arrest me. Don't arrest me. Don't arrest me. Oh. Okay. We're gonna go. I think I lost connection to the server. That's not good. I lost connection to the server. That's great. Alrighty, we're in a new server. Push you in so I can escape. Thank you. That was too easy. Ladies and gentlemen, that was too easy. I don't know, that was too easy for Tokyo's Revenge to escape like that. Um... Bro, Tokyo's Revenge is a high-class top prisoner. He shouldn't be let out of prison that easily. He shouldn't. There's just no way. You can't let Tokyo's Revenge official get out like that easily. He's a high-class top prisoner. And you're just gonna, oh, oopsie daisy. And you're just gonna, oopsie daisies and let him out. Just like you just slowly open the door for me. That's just not good guarding of the prison at all. Alright, now we gotta go. Someone has a SWAT gun. That's just great. Wonderful, I should say. I don't know what Tokyo's Revenge did to get him in prison, but we have escaped prison. Oh god. These inmates are just not on my side. Bro, I guess they don't like Toku's Revenge at all either. Bro, it's crazy. You gotta like Toku's Revenge though. Okay, what is wrong with the cars? I don't understand what's going on with the cars. Go, 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 go. Bro, Tokyo's Revenge wants to kill some cops. He wants to kill these coppers. Come on. Let him in. Let him in. Please. Why isn't this glitch working? It usually works. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got a key card. Let's kill them coppers. We killed them coppers, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Bring them in. Bring them in. Oh, who's trying to get in? Who wanna get in? There you go. There you go. Bro, if one of y'all kill me, I swear. I swear, bro. We're killing these coppers, bro. Let's raid. Let's raid. These are noobs. Dead. What the? There we go. Bye. Bye. Bro, Tokyo's Revenge is just destroying everyone right now. You guys, this is too easy for Tokyo's Revenge. This is too easy. Too easy. Look at this. Too easy. Too easy. How are you letting this happen? This prison is not. Oh, I think I accidentally shot that guy by accident. Maybe not. Okay. Bro, this is too easy for Tokyo's Revenge. Where's the high-class prison that they were talking about, huh? You guys just can't let Tokyo's Revenge come into this prison. Let him escape, even though it was called high top, or like high class. Oh. Move! Oh! 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 Bro, we're just destroying the prison now. Oh! Get one-shotted, bro. Get one-shotted. Noob. Trash. Bro. You're letting this little dude, Tokyo's Revenge, completely just ruin the server. And, like, escape and do all of this. Bro, all of us are just taking over. What is this? I'm nice. No one cares if you're nice. Oh, God. No. No one cares. Move! Bro, this is too crazy. This game is too hectic. Who's killing me? Yo, you're crazy, fool. What are you doing? What are you... Good job. Good job. I hope you feel satisfied for killing me. Good job. I was on your team and I was literally helping you guys. Good freaking job, buddy. I hope you're really happy with what you did. Good job. Unbelievable. These inmates, bro. This is why I don't trust inmates half the time. This is why I killed them. Back in the prison now. Let's do this again. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Ooh. That wasn't supposed to happen. That's not what the glitch was. That was not... What is wrong with this game, bro? The glitch was that you do that and you get inside the prison. I don't understand what that was about, because I wasn't supposed to fall. But, okay, game. Just make up whatever you want to do. Stupid game. Okay, I'm in the game, you... I swear to gosh, this guy... This... Good job! I love when y'all kill me. For no reason, even though I'm here to help. Oh, I love it so much. I just want to give you a big hug. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Inmates have no hearts. I don't care. Now I'm just gonna go kill inmates if I can. Unbelievable. These inmates are ruthless. They don't have any heart. At all. Do I have to, like, be a cop all of a sudden? Does Tokyo's Revenge need to switch from being a crazy prisoner to becoming a cop who goes in chaotic? Who's chaotic and just needs to kill everyone he sees? Does that need to happen? Or like, can you all just not kill me? Because I'm literally on your side. I'm trying to kill the cops, too. But no, y'all want to be jerks. And kill me for no reason. I see how that is. What the? Okay. Yeah. Yeah, y'all want to mess around with me? I'm not sure how I have green health still, but okay. Y'all want to mess around with me? Oh, okay, he's on my side. Okay. I was like, y'all want to mess around with me? OMG! OMG, what? Oh, poor baby, you got hurt? Oh, poor baby. Oh, you want to kill me now, huh? I'm lagging. Move. Got him. Let's go. That was just an intense battle. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure how I died and didn't die. Alrighty guys, that'll be all for today's video. If you did enjoy, please smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite part of this video was. Also, turn on post notifications so you never miss a beat when I post a new video. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.